Very sketchy details coming in, but we are getting to know that Kanimozhi is going to stay in jail for the time being. The bail hearing has now been adjourned till the 11th of November. That is which basically means that she is going to be in jail for over a week now. In fact, Meenakshi joining us on the phone line with more on the story. Meenakshi, you were inside court. Tell us what happened.
Well, Deep, what essentially has happened is this, that the bail plea of all the accused, there were 8 accused in total, had come up for orders today. And out of the 8, the 5 of the accused were Kanimozhi, Kareem Morani, Asif Balwa, Rajiv Agarwal, and another accused. These were the bail pleas that CBI had not opposed, and therefore the possibility of them having gotten bail was high today. But what we saw is this, that the judge came in and there was only an operative part which was read out, saying that bail plea of all accused, which essentially means even those accused for which the CBI had said no objection, was dismissed, and the matter has now been posted for further hearing on the 11th of November. So the news coming out is this, that the bail plea of all accused, even those to which CBI had said no objection in the Supreme Court, stands dismissed. Now this includes Kanimozhi, Sharad Kumar, Rajiv Agarwal, Asif Balwa. These were the accused which the CBI had said no objection to even in the Supreme Court, and the possibility of them having gotten bail from trial court today was a very good probability. But what we are seeing is this, that the special CBI judge here at the Patiala House Court has not deemed it appropriate to grant bail, and we will procure a detailed copy of the order in a short while from now. But the operative part of the judgment was just read out, and it essentially said that the bail plea of all accused is dismissed, and the matter has been posted for further hearing on the 11th of November. Interestingly, 11th November is also the date which has been fixed for the trial to commence, really. So this is the situation here, Deep.
Okay, Meenakshi, I'll come back to you. Meenakshi, I'll come back to you as you get a little more information. We will go back to Meenakshi, but Navika Kumar, a political editor, also joining us from Delhi at this point in time. Navika, what essentially does this mean if one looks at the political dimensions of this case? Obviously, all of DMK being in court today, hoping that Kanimozhi will get bail, but now it's been pushed closer to the date when the winter session of the parliament starts.
Well, it is very clear that the DMK will be hugely disappointed today. They were expecting, after the CBI had not opposed the bail plea of Kanimozhi, that she would be granted bail, but many were internally talking about a 50-50 chance as far as the bail application is concerned. Clearly, the special court looking at the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court so far has not granted bail to any of those accused in the 2G spectrum scam, and the trial court really taking its cue from the Supreme Court, waiting for the Supreme Court to make the first move on this count, and really postponing this entire matter once again to the 11th of November. And clearly more pressure as far as DMK Congress ties are concerned. Of course, the DMK does not have the option at this stage to walk out of this alliance, because they really clearly, with their backs to the wall, they've lost power in Tamil Nadu. Jayalalitha has come down with a thumping victory, and in New Delhi, if they're not part of the government, then clearly they'll have absolutely no say in anything, which is why the DMK will have to swallow the bitter pill once again on the waiting line as far as Kanimozhi's bail plea is concerned. And I'm sure there will be huge disappointment as far as the DMK is concerned, but the trial court not taking any chances, clearly waiting for its cue from Supreme Court. The Supreme Court will also be hearing this entire matter in the coming days, and it's only after a green signal on bail really is given by the Supreme Court, that's the sense that people within the DMK are feeling, only then will a decision on the bail plea be taken in the trial court, and that's where matters stand. But huge disappointment coming in for Kanimozhi, and clearly all the corporate honchos who were also expecting and looking forward to their bail applications being looked at after Kanimozhi had been given bail, they also now will be waiting in queue. But for now, of course, huge disappointment as far as DMK is concerned. In fact, yesterday we do know some of the the DMK MPs and workers even went to Tirupati and shaved their heads off asking for divine intervention. But clearly all of that still not working as far as Kanimozhi is concerned. The wait just gets longer as far as Kanimozhi is concerned.